Ethereum Blockchain is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. Here's how it works. Smart contracts. Ethereum's blockchain supports smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions. These contracts automatically execute when specific conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Decentralized applications. Developers can create decentralized applications on Ethereum using smart contracts. These DApps can range from financial applications like decentralized exchanges to social networks, games, and more. Ether. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. It serves as a medium of exchange for transactions and also as an incentive for miners to secure the network by validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Proof of work and proof of stake. Ethereum currently uses a proof of work consensus mechanism similar to Bitcoin. However, it is transitioning to a proof of stake consensus mechanism with Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. POS will allow validators to create new blocks and secure the network by staking their Ether as collateral. Decentralization. Ethereum's blockchain is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any single entity. Nodes on the network validate transactions, and the blockchain is maintained by a distributed network of miners and validators.